Forget everything you thought you knew about hatchbacks because Kia just flipped the script. Meet the 2026 Kia K4 hatchback, a car that's sportier, smarter, and more spacious than ever before. And yes, it's finally coming to the US. Unveiled at the 2025 New York International Auto Show, the K4 hatchback is Kia's bold answer to the Honda Civic, Mazda 3, and Toyota Corolla hatches, and even takes a subtle jab at the Acura Integra. While crossovers may rule the roads, Kia is betting big on this sleek, space-savvy ride for 2026. And honestly, they might be onto something. Visually, it's a head-turner. With a floating roofline, hidden rear door handles tucked into the C-pillar, and a raked rear window crowned by a roof spoiler, the K4 hatchback carves out its own identity. It's 11 inches shorter than the sedan, yet somehow bigger where it counts. More headroom, more legroom, and way more style. Let's talk practicality. With 22.2 cubic feet of cargo space behind the seats and a whopping 59.3 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, this hatch doesn't just look good, it works hard. Perfect for city living, weekend getaways, and everything in between. Inside, it's high-tech luxury meets everyday convenience. Dual 12.3-inch displays stretch nearly 30 inches across, housing Kia's connected car navigation cockpit. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even a voice assistant powered by generative AI. Just say, "Hey Kia," and control your climate, music, or even ask for trivia. You'll get 5 trims: LX, LXS, X, GT Line, and the beastly GT Line Turbo. Base models come with a 2.0-liter, 147-horsepower engine paired with Kia's intelligent variable transmission. But if you crave power, the GT Line Turbo drops a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic. Add sport-tuned suspension and 18-inch wheels, and this thing moves. Kia didn't stop at style and speed, they loaded it with advanced driver assistance. Standard features include adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping assist, blind spot collision warning, rear cross traffic alert, and if you go for the GT Line Turbo, you unlock evasive steering assist, highway driving assist 2, surround view monitor, and more. Want something bold? Try the exclusive sparkling yellow paint job available on the GT Line. You'll also get gloss black accents, paddle shifters, LED fog lights, and even a flat-bottom 3-spoke steering wheel for that extra sporty edge. Kia hasn't dropped official pricing yet, but expect a starting point around $24,000, going up to over $31,000 for the fully loaded GT Line Turbo. US sales begin in late 2025, so the countdown starts now. The 2026 Kia K4 hatchback isn't just a new body style, it's a new attitude. Smart, sporty, and surprisingly practical, it's proof that hatchbacks still have plenty of life left. Are you ready to make the switch? This is Curious Corner, where innovation meets obsession. Hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and let me know in the comments, would you pick the K4 hatch over a Civic?